Welcome back to another video. In this one, I got a big project on my hand. I got all these 2x10s that are 18 foot long because we're gonna be putting new boards on my trailer. So this is gonna be a really long, kind of sucky but fun process, because over here on the trailer, I gotta go ahead and I'm just gonna cut off every single one of these with this cutting wheel with the grinding disc, because here, I already did one. Because I know they're all gonna spin if I put a socket underneath. Like, look, you can already see it spinning. So there's no point in trying to put a socket underneath and take it off, because they're just gonna spin. So I got a lot to go, and then I'll be able to just take the boards right off the trailer and lay the new ones on. So I do have to cut these to 16 and 3 inches. The reason why I couldn't get 16 foot ones is because the boards are legit 16 and 3 inches, and they only do them in 16, 18, and 20, so I went with 18 foot ones. So these are green treated, they're really nice, and should last a really long time on the trailer and look way better than these. These aren't terrible, but something that really bothered me is up here at the front they have plywood. They didn't even get ones that fit the whole length, and this plywood is getting kind of bad, and so I just want to fix it right. And then these boards will still be useful to me, because over at the property I'm going to be framing up where I'm going to pour my concrete slab, and I'm going to use those old boards to do that, not buy new boards that are super expensive. So let's get right into this video. Sorry for the long intro. And the cutting begins. You guys almost fell. I think I just went deaf from that in my left ear, or your guys's to me right ear. Ouch. Heck yeah. Okay, so I got all the boards off the trailer. Tyler came over and helped me. Here are all the old ones. We got the new ones sitting here. But we got the little sprint car out so I can rip it around. I picked this up. You guys haven't seen it yet, but I got her running, and we're gonna take her for a little test spin. This is made for like 5-year-olds, but I'm just gonna flip it and sell it. I got it for really cheap, and now it works, so I can sell it for a lot. But I gotta take it for a test drive.
What do you got to say, Justin?
That is so fun. It's so slow, but it's so fun. But any rock or anything that's on the road, my skid plate just hits because of how low to the ground I am, because I need to adjust these up for my weight, but for a little kid it's probably perfect. It is now day 2 of the trailer project, and we're making a lot of progress. I didn't go ahead and throw on the new boards because right here I've been cutting off the U-bolts because check these things out. That is not good at all. Look at these things. They're just in bad shape, so while I easily can get to them, might as well replace them. Because in some areas they're just super thin. Here's some of the ones I cut off over here. Oh, I should have thought of that. Whoops. Shouldn't have sat on the axle. But yeah, look. Look at that. I don't want that holding my load. It'd break. So, just been using the death wheel here to cut them all off. Just like a little pew type thing. So I'm gonna keep cutting them off, and I already got new ones for it, so that's what I did this morning. Is I ran to the store, got brand new ones. So these look a lot better and should last another 15 to 20 years. I don't know where I left this video off at, but we are all finished now. The trailer looks absolutely amazing. Definitely worth putting new boards on it. And we painted the whole thing, and we put new U-bolts on the axles, so it's basically a brand new trailer. I got a toolbox that I have in my storage area that I'm gonna throw on the front here, and that will be really nice for storage and stuff. And I think she'll be complete. But yeah, trash can's in the way. And then we got our new jack on. Sweet. So I'm gonna be wrapping up the video here. Yes, I got a haircut, by the way. So that's why I'm gonna look a little different in these ones. But don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, which will be on this thing, which is pretty sweet. That's a little sneak peek of what the next video is gonna be. And yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed this. And I'm super excited about my trailer, having new boards on it. And now we can use the old boards to form up some concrete at the property. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.